Hi everyone, this is Melanie, my husband Neil, and our son Decker. Join our family as we restore our ferro cement schooner Kiva, journey around Vancouver Island, and get ready to explore the world. Alright, hey everybody. We just, very exciting, got a new anchor right there. It's a 40 kilo Rocna Vulcan, so roughly 88 pounds, give or take. And shout out to Matt and the crew at Harbor Chandler for being awesome and giving us a great deal. If you're ever in Nanaimo, BC, go see Matt at Harbor Chandler. We've been customers there for like 20 years at least. And so we are taking, Neil's in the process of taking off our old 60-pound CQR. And we're going to replace it with this one. So you may be asking, oh my God, that's so heavy. How do you do that? Well, you're seeing it from the dinghy. Let the chain down with the anchor, switch it over, and reconnect it to the other one.
Shackle is rusted.
Yeah? We got a new one to replace it with?
Yep.
Good.
Oh yeah. No fooling around, straight up new gear.
So, we personally believe your ground tackle, which is your anchor winch, your chain, all that stuff, is one of the most important safety features on your boat, because it means your home will be there right where you left it. And you will wake up in the same place as where you went to sleep.
Most times.
It gives me personally a lot of comfort. And there's a whole system on how you figure out what size of anchor, mostly according to manufacturer. And some people
have a boat like ours, which is an oddball.
Yeah, naturally we have a weird boat. But while the new 40 Vulcan may be big for a lot of people, I have a hydraulic anchor winch, which means I do not need pure muscle power to lift it. See? Whoops. Sorry, folks. There. This is hydraulics. That one's manual, which is our backup. Are you gonna hook it up right there, or what are you doing?
Yeah, I'm gonna hook it up here.
Okay. Just because that way I can film what you're doing pretty easily.
Let's see if this can work.
Oakley. You're all right, little dog.
First adds another 5 pounds.
Well, that's good. More weight, the better. That fit through there. That's nice. What size was that clevis that you just put in?
This one?
The one you just put in, yeah.
5/8.
Okay, 5/8.
5/8 swivel.
Okay.
5/8, and then a joiner for the chain.
Okay.
This is a 1/2 inch.
Do we need to replace any of that?
No, this is all pretty solid.
Okay.
This has never even hardly been used.
See, people, one of the reasons we say these things is so that in 5 years from now we can look back at the video and try and remember what size of anchor chain and stuff we put on for when we have to buy new. Okay, for those people who have never done this or seen a clevis being put together, can you tell them what you're doing?
Well, you put your wrench into the side, it's going to take your weight, And then you you pull down and you push, and it'll tighten up.
Okay. You got your wire?
Well,
All right, now can you explain to the fine folks what you're doing?
so I'm going to do a double loop wire.
And what kind of wire?
Stainless steel downrigger wire. This is actually not stainless downrigger wire. This is actually heavy duty wire. Specific bought. Then I'm going to go around one more loop here. Added protection.
Basically, if you don't do this, your clevises can actually wiggle themselves undone for mystical reasons, known only to the ocean gods. So this will stop that. It's just an extra safety measure. And we do this for any time that we have something on a clevis. And basically we check this every time we take the anchor down, put it down and take it up. You check these wires. Did you cut that long enough?
Yeah.
No. And if they're missing, we do not anchor. We stop and fix the wires and then anchor.
Twist it around here. Some people don't use stainless, some people use copper.
Why do you use stainless?
Less electrolysis.
Sorry folks, camera work might be shaky. I'm trying to hold it still, zoomed in on what he's doing for you. There's my muscle man. It's gonna drop a bit because all your chain's loose. Got it. I'm good. Okay, so we dropped it in the water. Straighten out the kinks. Put some kinks in Neil's back. Test out the shackles. So Neil's gonna come back to the boat. He's got to fire up the boat and the hydraulics so I can lift this puppy back up onto deck. All right, there's the new girl. Our new anchor.
That is an anchor.
I feel confident with that. That is a 40-pound Rocna Vulcan.
88.
40 kilo Vulcan.
88 pounds.
Rocna Vulcan.
It sits in there nicer.
It does.